Attorney Joey McCutcheon represents the parents of 3 Lamar Middle School boys who say they are being sexually assaulted inside the school locker room. But the school and state police conducted their own investigations and both found that there were no assaults.
Every parent who has a child in the public schools should be terrified when they look at the Lamar case.
According to the independent Title IX complaint that was launched by Lamar Schools, 3 boys were initially found to be responsible for sexually harassing and assaulting 3 other boys inside the middle school locker room. Everyone involved appealed the recommended 10-day suspension. A statement from Lamar Superintendent Jay Holland cited the Crimes Against Children Division of the Arkansas State Police, who found all allegations of sexual abuse unsubstantiated against the 3 middle school boys. We obtained one of those reports. In it, the Crimes Against Children state investigator determined the sexual abuse allegations were found to be unsubstantiated since there was not a preponderance of evidence to support it.
Which to me is shocking based upon all of the objective information. It's not like you have to take the student's word. We've got an audio tape that spells out exactly what happens. You know, how can they not find that it's more likely than not that these assaults occurred? Because we think they are assaults.
According to Arkansas law, sexual abuse means intercourse, attempted intercourse, deviant sexual activity, or sexual contact. But the law defines sexual contact as any act of sexual gratification.
If that's what they're basing their decision on, who makes that call, whether there was sexual gratification or not?
Based on the findings from the Crimes Against Children Division, in the Title IX process, all of the boys accused of sexual assault were found not to be responsible for that accusation, but 2 of them were found responsible for sexual harassment. In the Title IX documents sent to parents, the superintendent recommended a 10-day suspension starting on this past Monday, the first day of school, as well as being banned from extracurricular activities for the entire school year and a no-contact order. Attorney Joey McCutcheon, who represents the parents of the boys who say they're victims, says the other boys should be expelled, and that's not all.
This matter needs to be reviewed by the supervisors of the Arkansas State Police, and if that doesn't get the job done, then the governor needs to step in and show us that we are, in fact, serious about the safety of students.
We asked state police about their investigations in Lamar, but a spokesperson says under Arkansas state law, they're not allowed to release any information or even say if there was an investigation. And attorneys for the school district would not say if the recommended 10-day suspensions for the 2 boys has been handed down. In Fort Smith, Brett Rains, 4029 News.